So what were you saying?
The girls are out to do anything to get the prince.
Eh?
It's our time to strike. Anyone that falls for you, you strike. You chop and clean mouth.
Chop and clean mouth.
You see, this is what I've been telling you earlier before now. It's time we got to try our luck. I mean, over these girls.
But the thing is, how could any of them fall for us? Eh? I mean, people that came to marry the prince. So after falling for us, they will go back and still marry the prince. Think of it now.
There's a point there.
That's the game. Okay, you're not saying. That's the game. If anyone falls for any of us, if any of the girls falls for any of us, she's out of the game. And Igwe sees everything. Oh, don't you think so? He employed those fine guys because he wants to test the girls.
Really?
Are
you serious?
Do you think Igwe is not aware that the girl slept in my room? Huh?
Yeah, are you serious? Yeah, guy, this is time for us to try our luck.
But that is true.
Yes.
That is true.
Someone is knocking.
Yeah, what is it?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Come in, please. Right?
Don't worry. I wanted to.
No.
That's not okay.
It's fine.
We're already on our way.
Okay.
Yes.
See you guys.
Yeah. Okay.
See you guys. All right. Right.
Make yourself comfortable.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. So how are you?
Fine. Did you miss me?
Sure I do. I know that already.
I have a lot to tell you.
Oh really? I'm waiting. Tell me.
Now you see how they here the fuck up. Why Harry is busy enjoying all these girls. Small thing, bam, they are falling for him.
Didn't I tell you that we should try our luck? Eh? We did the dummy since.
Hey guards, please, where is the swimming pool?
Through this way, get it, okay?
Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
Fuck what?
Can I talk to you?
Okay, speak.
I just wanted to appreciate your beauty. Your beauty is equal to none in this palace. You are the finest. Yes.
Can I go now?
No. Just calm down. Can we have some time to? Can you lend me your time to, discuss one or two things?
As what? Are you mad? Have you gone bonkers? You want me to lend you my time? As what? A palace church rat? Now let this be the last time you will repeat this statement again. Am I understood? Else I will slap the hell out of you. Nuisance. Idiots. What nonsense. You want to have some time with me? You're very stupid.
This guy an idiot. If not that Igwe needed me to stay here and work for him. This I want to slap. If she slapped me now, what will I tell these people?
I was wondering if these boys were not going to do their work. Wow. It's very obvious this particular lady knows what she is doing. The king is watching. Look at this one. What game does she think she's playing? Ah. Hello, Ari. Ari? Come to my room right now. Yes.
Uyeji, amawayo, unkwanu kike kwere. Oh, ike kwere. Yezibakwa, uyeji, amawayo. Yezibakwa, nawayo.
Yes, my prince. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, these girls are beautiful. They are down to earth. You need to see them. Of course, I'll help you make your choice now. You start coming back before it's too late. Agwangi onya. I can't wait. I can't wait. Start coming, Joe. All right. Okay, I'll talk to you later. All right. My prince, my prince.
Hi.
Oh, how are you?
I'm doing all right. I'm sorry for interrupting your call.
That's fine. That's fine.
But was that actually the prince?
Yes, the prince. He's my friend. Yeah, like we are buddies. We are like this.
Really?
Of course.
Wait. You mean you know the prince on a personal level?
I'm telling you, he's my friend. He's no jokes. Yeah, like we grew up together in this village, and we don't do things. We don't run many things. I don't know if you understand, but that's by the way. And it's just that Igwe pleaded that I should work here for now until he comes back after he searched for a wife, so I can now travel out of the country with him.
Wow! Who would have thought? Sorry, I was actually heading to the swimming pool side, but that's not important anymore. I would like to speak to you if you don't mind.
Oh,
so I can get a moment of your time.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Sure.
What could they be doing here?
Oh, I don't know. I will find out.
Is this not the girl that was cleaning the table yesterday?
Yeah, she's the one. I think they're having problem.
I saw her earlier today, watching the plates. I think this is a very good girl. We should keep an eye on her.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. And what do you think these ones are talking here?
It's okay, let me go and find out.
Alright.
I'll handle it.
Okay. Wow, this game is becoming more and more interesting. Oh yeah, we'll see. We shall see.
Just take it easy so you don't hit her.
Oh, thank you. You are so caring.
Thank you.
I'm still pondering about everything you said. Are you really serious?
Listen, this is a game of Thrones.
Right.
You need to be smart if you must beat this game. Your girls here go behind to play this game. Do you understand? So you need to smart, you need to wisen up.
Wait. They do this? So then I've been slacking. Hey. Anyway. Tell me, are you promising to speak to the prince on my behalf?
Why not if not? I know he will come and ask me of my opinion. I will tell him that you are kind of the girl he likes. That you are his spec. Yes, now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You've made me very happy today. And I've realized you're a good person.
Don't mention.
Anyway, I understand everything comes with a price. So then I would like to know, what price do I have to pay in return?
You will see me in private.
What? What do you mean see you in private? I heard there are cameras in this palace. What if they see me?
No,
what would I say?
I work here in this palace and I have every right to manipulate anything I want to. I can switch off any camera at any time. Yes.
Really?
Just come and see me in private and we'll just talk about it.
You can turn off the cameras.
Of course now. Now for you. Now for you.
You're too much. In that case, I'll see you later.
Alright. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Thank you. When you speak to the prince, start the process.
In private. You want more sister?
In private.
Come and see what the Lord has done for me. Come and see what the Lord has done for me, oh. Come and see, oh, what the Lord has done for me. If it were to be man.
Juliet.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Welcome, sir. I'm fine, sir.
I hope your mother is in.
No, she went to Mama Oke's place. So
I can see that you're happy.
I'm happy, sir. Okay. That's why I decided to wash my so that they will not say I did not prepare.
And that is good. So where is your mother? Where did she go?
She went to Mama Oke's shop. Should I go and call her?
No, don't worry. I'll go there and meet her. I'll talk to her. When I see her, I'll talk to her, okay?
So I hope there is good news.
Juliet, relax your mind now. I will see your mother. When I see her, I'll talk to her. She will come back and talk to you.
Okay, sir.
We are talking about palace here, I think.
Exactly. That is why so I hope the good news.
You will go to palace. You will go to palace. Juliet, you go to palace.
Bye-bye, sir. Don't worry. I will enter that palace and I will drag that stupid Amara out of that place. She should not worry. She should not worry. She feels she has entered. I will deal with you. If I don't make them to evict you from that place, you know I'm a fool. I'm a big fool. In that palace. Don't worry. Me. Amara, oh, you don't know what is coming to face you. Oh. What is it? Is it that I'm not fine enough? Imagine me. See even if the nyash is not big enough, at least the prince will have to manage it. Or the king. Have a choice. See breast. Is this not enough? Even hairs. Doesn't matter, have hairs on her chest. And I'm a kwanaka. Lenu skin. Hey! Amara! You will hear me? You have not seen anything, no? Me, after dealing with you, you will ask God why they brought you into this life. You have not seen anything yet. Let me enter there first. Let me enter. Even if the AC is not working in that place, at least I will use my nose and blow. Is there enough for them to accommodate me? They go to fine girl like me. I'm here wasting for what? Let me enter there. I'm again. Hey! Amaria Fife! Iya Fife no wa. Iya doing many the better family.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
It's like I have to be using your strategies since they work for you.
My strategy?
Yeah.
Use it to see. These girls are desperate at me. They can do anything to get the prince. Now look at me that doesn't even know the prince. Can't her. You know why? I never not done. Stay here now.
I even see that these girls are fools.
How?
The way they fall for you.
Okay.
Well, anyway, I'll try my own. Yeah.
No wala. No wala. Let me
strike.
Hello, ladies.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
So far, so good. I want to say that you all have been doing wonderfully well.
Oh, thank you.
I want to use this opportunity to inform you that the prince will be coming next week.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So I want you all to be getting ready to meet with the prince. Meanwhile, I have made arrangement with a costumier that will be giving you some wonderful outfits. Because on that day, you are all going to dress like queens. I know that when the prince comes, he would like to see you in that queenly form.
Of course, Your Majesty.
Not only that, you are going to change into another attire that is going to distinguish you from the other ladies, so that it will be easy for the prince to select the woman he wants to marry. And tomorrow being Monday, the maids will share routine for all of you, so that you will take turns in the cooking and other domestic affairs of the royal family. The essence is for us to know, as queens, which among you will be able to cook for the king and take care of this kingdom with him in the future. Am I communicating?
Yes, Your Majesty. Shut up.
Immediately after now, you are going to swim. Because I know that when the prince comes, he is going to take turns in swimming with all of you.
Okay, Your
or hears. No, the truth is, naturally, there are certain things that tickles the fancy of the prince. The essence of this competition, this contest, is for us to find out who among you will be able to meet up the desires and the demands of the prince. Who will be able to make him happy. That is the essence of this contest. And I want to assure you all that there is no partiality here. So if you don't know how to swim, you better start learning now.
I will learn, Your Majesty.
Sink.
Harry, over to you now.
Okay.
Using one year they'll call. Also ya can nacho. Odosie bayo. Obigwe. Otosiako. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ige kwerere. Ezibagwa. Wiheji. Amawanyo. Ngwanu gige kwerere.
Good afternoon. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
I was coming from your house. I saw your daughter. She said that you went to Madame Oke's shop or something. I was coming there to see you.
That's true. That's true. But Iche, do you have any good news for me?
Would I say that this is a good news? Madame Ego, what we discussed can't work out too. I've tried everything I could. Virtually everything.
Hi.
Couldn't work out.
Iche, please don't say that again. Okay, wait. Let's start. Iche. This is money. This is money. I just sold my goods and I have more. I can give you some if you want it.
I want it.
My daughter will not allow me to rest in that house. Iche Biko no.
Madam Ego, see, collecting this money is not a problem, but I wouldn't like a situation I'll collect this money tomorrow. You begin to fight me that what we agreed, I did not fulfill it. And you know, it become a problem. Please, there's nothing I can do about it.
Chimo. Okay, Iche. Tell me who to meet. I am ready to meet the person.
Okay.
Tell me.
You know Emeka?
Yes, I know
Secretary
him.
to the committee.
I know him very well.
I think he may be of use. That man is stubborn. I don't see it working. But
Iche,
try your luck.
Don't worry. I will meet Emeka. Whatever it will cost me to see that my daughter enters the palace, I will do it. Okay. I will see you later, Iche.
What of very good? What of the other thing now?
Which thing?
What you promised me now?
Iche, because we had an agreement. You didn't fulfill it. You want me to give you that thing? I can come and take it.
Please give it to me. Madam God, I don't know why this woman is so desperate for her daughter to enter to that palace. This is desperation. Emeka, in this town, Emeka, again. Emeka, Ogad regular, you look. Come, Madam God, wait. Let us see what we can do.
Don't slash me there. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Oh my days. Oh my days. What is wrong with you? Huh? I don't know what others are doing.
Why did you get in if you know you can't swim?
Look at you. You can't swim and you're inside the water. Yeah? Mommy, can you just shut up? Will you somebody is drowning and all you can say? Hey, I'm not talking to you. I am not talking to you. You're so rude. Oh, so rude. So rude. Look at you. Am I talking to you? Am I talking to you? What are you gonna teach me? You're very stupid. You're very stupid. You're very stupid. You're very stupid.
Hey, lady, I don't want this, please, right?
Don't talk to me like that.
Hey, shut up. Do you want the prince to see you?
I don't care.
You don't care, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm taking note of this. I am the chief security officer here, so I don't want this from you, right? Did you get what I'm saying?
You just be poking your nose into my that none of your business.
You have to go into the house, okay? I don't want you to continue swimming. I wouldn't want you to get drowned, right?
No. Let me rest small. I'll enter the water again. I don't want to disappoint the Igwe.
No. I insist you
If
go
let me try.
Amara.
Let me try. I can do it.
Hey, how can I? You want to try?
How can I?
Live here, oh!
You want
to try? Live here, oh!
You're coming back. Not giving up where I come from.
Hey. I don't want to see dead bodies in this water, oh.
Amara.
Hey! Go back to the village! That's where you belong!
Okay?
Amy! Hold on.
I'm fine. Now, how are you?
I'm fine, oh. I'm fine. I was actually on my way to your house. It's like you went to buy something.
Yes, I want to prepare something. I'm very, very hungry.
Amy, you are too old to have a wife, oh. But I pray that God will bless you with a good wife soon.
Amen.
Amy, I actually want to talk to you.
Okay, I have something on fire, so you can do that here and be brief.
But since you have something on the fire, why don't we go to your house so that we can talk there?
No, it's not necessary. Just say what you want to say here. I will hear you. Just be brief.
Okay. Amy, I'm sorry that, we have not been in good terms recently due to the way my daughter and I speaks to you at times. But it's not that I hate my stepdaughter, Amara. I don't hate her. In fact, I like her. But you see, sometimes children will they will behave in such a way that you will treat them badly. And that is the problem.
I don't have problem the way you treat your children. It's not my business. It is not. All I keep on saying is you should treat them equally. If you show love to Juliet, you do the same to Amara. She doesn't have another mother except you. That's all I keep on saying. If you do that, peace will reign.
That is true. I promise you that as from today, I will treat her nicely. Oh, but Amy, there is something I want you to help me with too. You see, my daughter Juliet have been restless. She wants to enter the palace to compete for the heart of the prince. Is there any way you can help me? At least let her be there, even if she doesn't win. I am ready to do anything.
No wonder. Now I know. I was wondering when you were heading to all this subtle nature. Now I see where you are coming from. And maybe Ichiibe told you what I said. I am not interested. Do you understand? There's nothing anyone can do now to take somebody into the palace. The competition is on. And you don't change the goalpost at the middle of the match. It's not done. Your daughter failed audition. It's over. We're waiting to see those that will come out first. Not one going in now. It's not done now. Explain to her. She can accept her fate and wait for some other time. Prince will put to bed, sure. He's a handsome man, agility and all that. He will put to bed the wife. And maybe a baby or babies. And they will do nanny. Obviously we'll do another audition for nanny. And maybe your daughter will pass.
Meaning what one? Emeka, don't insult me. Don't insult me.
Boy insult us, I will insult. Your daughter will go for nannyism.
I beg, it's okay. If you don't want to help me, you go. I try my paribiko. Go. I don't want to need your help again. What kind of insult is this one? Nanny. Hi. Chineke, what kind of temptation is this one now? Carry your hand and go, Biko. Imagine Nanny. This girl will not even allow me to rest in that house. I'm going, Biko.
Harry or whatever your name is called, you do not talk to me like I'm a child. For all I know, you're just a security guard. So you should accord me some respect. Am I understood? You get that?
Jesse, you're biting more than you can chew in this palace. And I'm not happy about it.
And what are you going to do about that?
Tessie, must you show your stupidity every second? Why on earth are you insulting him?
Oh, shit!
But Tessie, he didn't say anything bad. Would you be happy if I was dead?
Will you keep quiet? Who are you?
I don't blame any of you. I don't blame you at all. If not poverty, I wonder what would have made you girls come here, battle and fight over a prince.
Oh, please. Bros, match break. Hold on, I beg. I use God name to beg you. Why are you categorizing all of us? Say now mommy Canada insult you. Why you they insult all of us? I beg. Anybody will insult you, use your anger face her. No carry out. Why they even they talk for this one self? No use and face me. I beg.
See this one talking. Are you talking to me? Huh? I don't blame you girls at all. I'm out of here. Poor brats.
Harry, I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you?
This girl is not fair now.
Oh, no, I can't see this so wrong. I can't deal with this rubbish. Rubbish!
Tessie, you're a fool.
You are a goat. Look at you.
What are you doing in this palace?
Popper! I'm not trying to help. Now, keep quiet, man. Because of what they tell you, say no sweet. You stick quiet. You be frog. You be frog. They say no sweet. You stick quiet with that.
And that second time, sir.
Your Majesty, you mean I should go back home? You heard me loud and clear. I have told you that I don't want to see any of the elders until the contest is over or I have need for you. Listen, you are the only elder whose daughter is in the palace for this contest. I don't want to see any of you. Please leave.
That is where you're getting it wrong, my king. I have not come here to see my daughter. I've only come to check on my king.
It does not make any difference. I said I don't need it. Please go. And you really think I don't know you after staying with you all this while?
My king, that is where you're getting it wrong. I am not here to see my daughter.
Igwe. The little woman is here. She's waiting for you at the inner chambers.
A minute. As you can see, there is someone waiting for me already. Let me attend to her. Can you please leave?
No, no. If you say so, I will leave if you say so.
Yes, I insist. Please leave. I insist.
If you say so, let me go. Let me go.
Tell her to come to the palace.
All right, Your Highness.
Who does it think he is? Talking to me anyhow? Huh? Anyway, I do not blame him. The next time he tries that nonsense, I am going to report him to His Royal Majesty and he's going to get sacked. Idiot.
But Tessie, what did he say? Look, don't forget we're in a competition. The prince would definitely pick just one person. Let's not sound desperate.
Will you shut up? If you say a word, I'm going to slap you. Who is desperate? Is it because I'm here? You think I don't know what I am doing? I came all the way from Canada. You're here talking to me? And you're listening? You all are listening to that over tall, stupid security guard. Not to worry. By the time I become the queen, you all will know me.
You want to slap me? So if I had died in the pool earlier, you would have been happy, all because you want to marry the prince?
How is that my business? If you want to die, you die. Die! Please, you know what? Just go look for your class. I'm not of the same level with you, okay? Get away, just go.
Wow. It's better I leave this palace before you all kill me, because if not for my stepmother, what will I be doing here in the first place? The desperation is too much.
I need to call my mother in London. Oh my days.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't think you can see her.
Huh? Look, you don't have to let the king know. The king must not know. This is between you and I. I just want to check on my daughter, know how she is faring. That's all.
Sorry to disappoint you. They are in their rooms and the king will see you through the camera.
Camera. Camera. Which word? Fine. How are they doing? I just want to find out. Is my daughter doing well? Or if I'm here?
Sorry to disappoint you again, sir. You may take your leave. I have other things to attend to.
Using one year they'll call. Also, ya can nacho. Odosie bayo, obigwe, otosiako. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ige kwerere. Ezibagwa, wiheji, amawanyo. Ngwanu gige kwerere. Ngwanu gige kwerere.
I cannot take insults from any of them. Please, you need to talk to them. Especially that Abigail and Tessie. Tell them I don't want insult from the two of them, please. Talk to them. Because the time will come when I will fall out with the two of them the way they will not like it.
Calm down, Ari. Calm down. Well, let me apologize on behalf of the maidens. Well, of course, you know that you cannot afford to get angry because you know why I brought you here to help me. Ari, listen. Everything that is happening, the insults, the misbehaviors, the rubbish, they are all part of the game. I expect you to be recording everything down for me. That is what I want you to do.
I know, but I don't want them to insult me. The insult is getting out of hand. I don't need it. I don't want it.
See, you just have to take it. You just have to bear a little longer. It is to their own detriment, okay? But like I said before, I apologize on behalf of the ladies. You can go back to your duty post. There is a woman out there waiting to see me. The tailor, she has come to take the measurement of the maidens.
It's okay, Your Highness. I will send her in.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Just be recording them.
It's okay. I will send her in.
It's part of the game.
Thank you.
Be recording.
Where may you live long, sir?
You're welcome. Please sit down. Woman, I am so sorry to have kept you waiting.
Thank you, sir.
So what exactly do you have for us?
It depends on what you want, sir.
I actually need 2 different attires for them on that fateful day.
Okay.
The first one is a glamorous costume that they are going to display with. After that, they are going to change into another queenly kind of costume with which they will display also. So what do you have? Wow. I think I like this.
Yes.
Let me see other designs. Wow, this one. Okay. You must get this for me.
They don't give you resounding slap before. They don't give you slap with a reset person brain. Listen, let me warn you. This is the last time you will try this nonsense. Don't try it again. You think I don't know what you do in secrets. I see you. I see everything where you do. If you think I don't know, newsflash, I do. Madam, that's your business. Do I care? You're the one that used to be nosy, so that's your fucking business. But let me warn you, Abigail, the next time you will lay this dirty hands on me again. Abigail, you will leave this palace. Yes! Listen, babe, see. You be like saying you don't know me. Come on, get your hand up. You be like saying you don't know me. Sit down there in the craze. Hey! If you slap me again, I just left you for that. Come on, put your hand down and they talk you because I keep quiet for you since. Honey, there are people who runs this town and my father is one of them. Yes! The next time you try me, you will not like what will happen. I fear. As for that security, that chief security man, let me just leave him. Let him be forming handsome and too rich that he will not go out and go and walk like his fellow men. He is here fighting us. If that's insulting, he will put it on us. You! Get out! I would. Make her get out.
Get out.
I will deal with you.
You can't do anything.
I will deal with
you.
you.
You be
down.
carry your big
Don't worry.
You
You are just a little rat where I am.
Whoosh.
You are just a little rat where I am.
Get out.
As for you.
Get out.
Cartoon Network.
Get out.
I will deal with
Back here one side.
I will deal with
Back one side. What did
Okay.
you talk? Go deal with me. Go deal with me. Who you be?
How
How many powers of you shop when it catch you for body?
Me, I don't get power.
You're a chest.
I don't get power.
Shut up.
Hallelujah.
Shut up.
Hallelujah.
Shut up.
Shut
Shut up.
Biko, where do you think you'll be going to? Can I be in a jail? You know that I tried my best.
Mama, you said you tried.
I tried.
How did you try? You tried and I'm still here with you. You tried and others are in the palace enjoying themselves and I'm here with you and you said you tried.
Yeah.
Mama Pasukola Miwe.
See, okay. It is okay now, eh? Just take your bag inside. Listen, if for that prince, you see that prince, he will only marry one girl. One girl, not all the girls, so phone. So you Mama didn't make it when you didn't make it now.
You marry only one person and there are 6 of them inside that palace contesting for it. Why can't I be there? Or is it that I'm not beautiful enough for what? Why can't I be there?
Hi. Oh, Chineke. Okay, Juliet. Where do you want to go now? And leave me all alone in this house.
The place I want to be now is the palace. If I don't enter the Igwe's palace, any palace I see at all in this village, I will enter. Hey! What am I doing here with you? You're not even the queen, neither are you the princess. Every morning I wake up and see your face. You think I'm happy seeing your face every morning? Look at the house. See your uncompleted building your husband built for you. Imagine the Go TV stand. See everything, nothing is making sense here. I'm tired. I don't want to stay here again. What is it? Hey! You want me to enter the Igwe's palace and you're here telling me I should not leave.
Juliet, are you running mad? Which one is that? Any palace you see, you will enter because you want to see the face of a king.
Because I know if I enter there, at least even if the prince did not choose me, at least the Igwe can consider me. What are you? If I wake up in the morning, I will see the guards, see all of them. At least I will eat good food. What am I eating here? What are you giving me? Morning, apple, afternoon, now is that what I want to eat?
Juliet, which one is that? Any palace you see, you enter.
Yes, so
because you want to see queen and king and prince.
Yes.
You know what relationship because
dinner cost too much. Let me go anywhere I see. I will. If it's any palace I see, I will.
Juliet, come back.
Okay. Papa.
You are going, eh?
I'm going.
Hey.
I'm going.
Okay now. God knows that I tried my best, oh. I tried my best. Whatever that happens to you, I'm not responsible for it. Oh, what's happened? Is she mad or what? Any palace that she sees, she will enter. Hey, Arab prince.
I'm sorry. Forgive me, please. I know you received those insults from the girls because of me.
Why would they insult me? Am I their mates? Or is it because I'm working as one of the servants in this palace? Why would they insult me?
It's okay. I blame myself. Maybe I'm not supposed to be here. Maybe I don't belong to the class of girls that are here. I don't know how to swim.
I know. But you not knowing how to swim does not make you less a human. Eh? I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming them on this. You didn't do anything, right?
Thank you for understanding. I know I'm just a poor orphan. I didn't choose myself to be here. I passed the first and second audition because I was able to answer the questions from the elders.
Oh, really? So you know much about this town?
Yes. My father used to tell me a lot about this place. Can I ask you for a favor?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I see you as a friend? As a brother? Can I share my problems with you? Look, even if I don't win the heart of the prince, I want to join you people and work here. I just want to stay away from my stepmother before she kills me.
Well, you can count on me, okay? Anytime. I will talk to the king about you. I will see if he can employ you as one of the servants here. Even though you did not win, but you need to try your best, okay? Try your best. Do you want me to talk to the prince when he comes back about you?
No, don't do that. I want him to see me in my true self.
Okay.
I don't want any influence on this. If I win, fine. If I don't win, no problem. I pray to God day and night. I'm not desperate about marrying the prince. I just want to leave my home.
Yeah, I see. We are friends, okay? Just count on me anytime. Tell me anything you want. I will help.
Thank you.
Okay? Be good. Okay, let's go back.
If I tell you my story, would you promise me you will pray for me?
None. But to come to think of it, why would he chase you out?
I don't know. Why am I wrong? Even the guard whom I pleaded with to help me call my daughter out so I can talk with her also refused.
Why?
Najum, why? Mom, do I know? I don't know for them. But it's like they said, or he said that he will call us when he needs us.
Nan, this is not right. The way I'm seeing it. How do we even know that our daughter is doing well? That's the problem here. Eh? Honestly, I don't get it. Nani, you have to really do something.
As for that,
I don't want our daughter to lose this thing.
That is true. And as for that, I am sure she is doing well. What if you get me? Gods of our land will never allow her fail. Our ancestors will never fail her.
Papa, they should not fail also. My sister Abigail, Irugo, Asa Kibeya must be the queen of this land. I can't wait to make sure of it.
Me too. I can hardly wait. Nan, you have a work to do here. Go back, talk to the gods. Nan, you do something. Don't give me all these excuses. God, I want the gods not to disappoint us. Eh?
But I used to tell people, I will reconsult the gods. I will go deeper and find out about Milisibano Pubogo and keep that one.
Trouble. To see it. Makano give when ever. Mariama Napokam or give.
Mama, I hear your batch than me. I will find out.
Here comes the prince. Here comes the prince. My prince, you're welcome. You're welcome.
My prince.
Wow.
My dream man.
My son, you're welcome back. Yeah. Honestly, I'm used to it.
You're welcome.
How is everything?
Good. Wow. Wow.
They are beautiful, right?
I love what I'm seeing.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Abigail.
Abigail! You look beautiful. Wow. Dad, they're all beautiful.
Oh, yes.
I love what I'm seeing.
My prince, you're welcome.
Thank you. I love your gap tooth.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome, my handsome husband.
What's your name?
Oge is my precious name, honey.
Okay. Beautiful name.
The prince of our land. Please, can I just give you a hug?
Dad, you really selected them.
Oh, you can say that again.
And what's your name?
Oh, my name is Bessie. And I just got back from Canada.
Oh, beautiful. That's good. That's good. Desi?
Oh, I know.
Come on.
Oh,
Yeah.
go back.
Come on. Dad, you really did wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
They are all beautiful.
Son, you just arrived. Let us go in. There will be time for introduction, okay? Let's go in.
Hey. The prince. The prince.
Let's go.
The prince.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I had to come back. Get a job. Useful for myself.
Let's get a good one.
Go sit.
What is it?
Go sit.
What?
The prince is back.
It's a lie. Finally.
Yes.
It's a lie. Wow.
The prince is back.
Oh, I beg, where is he? We need to say that. We really need to see him.
Yeah, he's inside the house now with the king. So now, I have prepared the meal. So you people should go and dress the dining.
Done.
Go. Those plates. New ones. Those new ones. Prepare them now. Let me go and serve him over. Let's go.
Ogala. Ghosts of our ancestors, we've come again. First and foremost, I want to thank you for all the things you have been doing for us in the past.
Amen.
Thanking you for the ones you are doing presently.
Amen.
And to thank you for the ones you will do in future. What is that?
He said,
any moment from today, the prince of this land will return. We beg you to influence him. Influence him inwardly and outwardly. Chadoni anake be chadoni anakani. Chadoni anihu chadoni anazo. Chani anoku chani anamiri. Chani anana chani anikuku. So influence him that he will have no option than to start loving our daughter. Loving our daughter to the extent that he will get married to her.
What if I talk?
What is that?
He said.
Hey. You could not know many babunambe. The time in Gamga Gotano Kono. Magona be a job, I'm much you. When he gets married to our daughter, if I get melon, Erike. I will kill cow.
Can you hear me?
I will kill cow.
Can you hear me?
On Mokonaka Mans and her moon, you can go on her joy. Oku never man a balloon. Get me now, quickly. Why not very day and none that's not a big job. I'm much here you have back on our work. This is real natural. Upon any area,
Sianak.
but I won't get so real natural.
Papa, the knife.
This is like on up. But I found a virgin kit of Banny. When I found a virgin kit of vanity. I'm going to come and I saw you and you're going to make a double. When I found a virgin kit of vanity.
I'll give way.
When I found a virgin kit of vanity.
Okay, Tim. Okay, where
is the one now? Dikeh. Hey,
Odogudim.
Mama,
I want to go.
Hey, Papa.
Onya nu Odogu melody.
I come out and now we talk about
Onya nu Odogu melody.
Oh my.
Oh my God. My prince.
Oh my. Beautiful. My prince. Yeah. My prince. That's my guy. Wow. Dad, I must say it again. I love what I'm seeing. You did a wonderful selection here. They are all beautiful.
Thank you, my friend.
But I don't want to end up being confused.
Son, there is time for everything. I don't think this is the right time to talk about this. Besides, I've told you that Harry is here to help you with this selection. So you don't have anything to worry about.
Yes, Igwe, you're right. Yes, you're right.
Harry.
My prince. I will help you.
Oh.
Harry, I need salt in this food, okay?
Madam, there's salt in this food.
I wasn't talking to you. Salt, please.
Harry, go and get us salt.
Thank you, Your Royal Majesty.
Yes, sir.
Your Majesty, you know we have not finished the introduction like you said.
We can actually talk about this later. Let's just eat and enjoy our meal.
Shut up.
You can shut me up. Let's just enjoy our meal.
I hope you are aware that it is a bad table manner eating and talking. You are here for a competition. And like I told you, the king is watching. And you're talking before me?
Thank God I did not talk. I did not say anything. I've not talked.
But you're talking already. Well, you can go ahead and enjoy your meals.
Bon appetit.
Hey. Oh, my prince, cheese.
There's no one.
Juliet.
Mama.
So you let her come back into this house, eh? You met her when Natazi. And by the way, why are you crying? Get it.
Mama, there is problem. Oh. There is problem.
Problem? What happened? Get it here. Talk now! What happened? What happened now?
Mama, I was raped by 2 men.
Wow! Hey! Raped? By who?
I don't know them.
My enemies will laugh at me. Ow! Juliet, Maragigini. Maragigini, leave me. Amaka, leave me alone. Amaka. Hey.
Sorry. I didn't know I was going to be raped. I'm sorry.
Very, very stupid. If not for one thing, I would have given you a resounding slap. I'm very stupid. Yes, you are. Abigail, you dey try me, oh. Listen, mind the way you insult me in this palace. If I do, what will you do? Now I'm asking you, if I insult you, what will you do? That I gave the prince a lap dance, how is that supposed to be any business of yours? Like you always say, we are all here for a competition, my darling. Do what you can do to win the game. But let me warn you, because this is the last time I am going to say this. The next time you step on my toes, Doka, what I will do to you in this palace, you won't believe it. I will smack you down so hard. You're a fool.